Okay, stop what you're doing. Seriously, Google just dropped something that changes everything in AI video. This is Veo 3. For years, AI-generated videos were incredible visually, but silent. We always had to add sound later. Not anymore. Veo 3, DeepMind's latest AI model, delivers native, perfectly synchronized audio right alongside your video. We're talking dialogue, ambient sounds, realistic effects, all baked in from your prompt. No more awkward silence. This isn't just a minor upgrade. It's the difference between a silent film and a blockbuster. Imagine creating a scene where footsteps actually thud realistically, or a character's dialogue matches their lip movements perfectly. Veo 3 uses advanced physics understanding to generate visuals that are incredibly fluid and detailed, combined with audio that truly brings them to life. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to tell a story. You simply type a detailed prompt, and Veo 3 gives you high-quality clips. It maintains consistency across scenes, handles complex movements, and pushes the boundaries of what AI can generate. Currently, Veo 3 is rolling out to Google AI Ultra subscribers and is integrated into Google Vids for workspace users. Yes, it's powerful and still in early stages, but the potential is undeniable. This integrated audio is its superpower. Is Veo 3 the definitive Sora killer? With its incredible native audio capabilities, it's certainly a massive contender. The era of silent AI video is officially over. Google Veo 3 isn't just making videos, it's giving them a voice, making them feel real, and fundamentally changing how we'll create in the future. What do you think of Google Veo 3? Let me know in the comments below. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tech breakdowns. Let's keep healing, hustling, prospering together.